Hi everyone, this is Myrtle Pettit, clinical nutritionist from Kitch'nGardens. This is something special for you guys about functional medicine. So, I do have a trivia. If water is the blue gold and saffron is the red gold, what is the white gold? If you said garlic, you are correct. Garlic has been prized since ancient cultures as one of the most important herbal remedies. In ancient Egypt, garlic was prized more than gold, and today in Asia, garlic is considered as the white gold. Garlic's worldwide production is 28.18 million tons. Besides the historical significance in both culinary and medicinal use, is there any scientific basis on the garlic potential, properties, and potency? Yes, a lot. 1,333 in PubMed, but I want to look at the antiviral activity of garlic. Well, 41 studies came up, and I found 5 to be the most relevant to this topic, with one particular study standing out as it was a systematic review of many scientific literatures and a meta-analysis which has higher validity than the gold standard randomized controlled trial, or RCT. Garlic is rich in organosulfur compounds, so is onion, and both are found to have strong antiviral activity. Ahuin is found in the oil when the garlic is macerated or crushed. You probably may have heard of it. The general antiviral activity of garlic moves from ahuin to potent antiviral allicin to allyl methylthiosulfonate to methyl allyl thiosulfonate. While the flavor of the garlic is associated with allicin, alliinase enzyme converts alliin to allicin. Then allicin gets converted to diallyl sulfide to diallyl disulfide to diallyl trisulfide and diallyl tetrasulfide. That's the taste of garlic metabolized in your body. Let us take a look at the effects of garlic on viruses. Garlic blocks virus protein formation and genetic material. It also has strong antiviral activity. It minimizes influenza A and B viral infections. Garlic was also found effective against cytomegalovirus, rhinovirus, HIV, herpes simplex virus 1, herpes simplex virus 2, common cold virus. It also has strong inhibitory effects of the infectious bronchitis virus, IBV, coronavirus, in poultry. Ahuin and other alleles found in garlic act against HIV-infected cells. Organosulfur compounds impart antiviral property to garlic. Alliin and sulfide compounds reduce inflammation in dengue virus infection. So you've seen that a lot of this are brought by garlic's properties against viruses. In the same article, it shows that onion is also rich in organosulfur compounds and quercetin, with a comprehensive review of its mechanism of action against viruses, including influenza A, hepatitis virus, poliovirus, SARS-CoV protease in SARS virus, and HIV. So let me read the abstract. In vitro virucidal effects of Allium sativum garlic extract and compounds. Garlic, Allium sativum, has been shown to have antiviral activity, but the compounds responsible have not been identified. Using direct pre-infection incubation assays, we determined the in vitro virucidal effects of fresh garlic extract, its polar fraction, and the following garlic-associated compounds: diallyl thiosulfonate, or allicin, allyl methylthiosulfonate, methyl allyl thiosulfonate, ahuin, alliin, deoxyalliin, diallyl disulfide, and diallyl trisulfide. Activity was determined against selected viruses including herpes simplex virus 1, herpes simplex virus type 2, parainfluenza virus type 3, vaccinia virus, vesicular stomatitis virus, and human rhinovirus type 2. The order for virucidal activity generally was ahuin to allicin, allyl methylthiosulfonate to methylallyl thiosulfonate. Ahuin was found in oil macerates of garlic, but not in fresh garlic extracts. No activity was found for the garlic polar fraction, allyl deoxyalanine, diallyl disulfide, or diallyl trisulfide. Fresh garlic extract, in which thiosulfonates appeared to be the active components, was virucidal to each virus tested. The predominant thiosulfonate in fresh garlic extract was allicin. There's actually some allicin concentrated extract sold in the market today, but even with the fresh garlic, it was tested to be more potent than any other kinds of garlic available in the market, with allicin being the most potent because of its concentration. Efficacy of garlic and onion against virus. In the current scenario, pharmaceutical industry is dependent on chemical-based drugs to treat viral infection. However, these drugs are known to induce many side effects in human body. There is pressing need to promote safe alternative to chemical-based antiviral drugs. Onion and garlic are natural sources which are known to possess antiviral properties. It is well known that onion and garlic are rich source of organosulfur compounds. Organosulfur compounds like quercetin and allicin are associated with inhibition of viral infection. Considering numerous studies which corroborate antiviral effect of onion and garlic, this paper recommends consumption of these plants as a safe alternative to prevent virus infection. Garlic and onion, a powerful duo indeed. So don't let anybody persuade you otherwise. Most studies uses only garlic pearls or deodorized garlic and not the whole raw garlic with its pungency and known health benefits. After all, garlic has a rich, undisputable 4,000-year culinary and medicinal history, with its earliest remains found near En Gedi in Israel, where David hid from King Saul. So here's a recipe from the late Dr. Agatha Thrash to boost your virus-fighting mechanism. So here's the rocket fuel recipe that you've been waiting for. What's amazing about this recipe is that you pretty much would be able to get all the ingredients right in your kitchen. So first and foremost, you need a high-speed blender. You can also use your regular blender, provided that you just keep on pulsing it or blending it to make sure that there's not much fiber that is left and that it's well blended. So for the ingredients, you will need half a cup of lemon juice. This contains a lot of vitamin C, and it also contains D-limonene, which you can tell because of its strong aroma. And it is actually a good antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-stress. There's a lemon juice. And of course, the star of our the star ingredient, garlic. We have 4 garlic cloves in here. You can do 4 to 5. And it contains ridiculously potent antiviral allicin. So we'll put it all in there. And of course, we won't forget our onion. So we just need to cut a 1/4 slice of onion. And you can do the medium size. You can also go bigger, but it's pretty pungent. So this is really good because it contains quercetin, which is a powerful antiviral. All right, there we have it. And of course, we won't forget our 2 to 3 inch ginger. It contains 6 gingerol. It also has antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer. And we do have our special honey, Manuka honey. So This actually contains MgO or methyl glyoxal, 3 to 4 tablespoons. I'm just putting it directly there so we don't need to waste it. Putting it on a different container. And this is actually a really good source of prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics. All right, I'm trying to put some more in there. And if you do not have Manuka honey, you can also use your regular honey or, raw honey, which is really good because it contains enzymes. And the other honey that I usually get is this one. And it contains vitamins and minerals that is preserved because it's raw honey. So let me just put some of it in there to use it and give it a good taste, because a lot of our ingredients in there are pungent. All right, there we have it. So in checking the methyl glyoxal when it comes to our Manuka honey, you can actually see it. The higher the MgO factor, the more potent it is. And the other companies actually have K factor, like this company here. So they have a different way of measuring its benefits. So we shouldn't forget a pinch of cayenne. So that would be good. Some people could tolerate more cayenne, so you can add more cayenne if you can tolerate it. So cayenne is actually really good because it's heart protective, and it even has anti-inflammatory properties, anti-diabetic properties, or anti-diabetic properties. It's a good immune booster, and the main ingredient, or I should say the main properties that cayenne has is capsicum, and it is also a good antioxidant. Then we have water. So our body consists of 60 to 70% water depending on your age, and that is the fluid that really sustains life. So we need that in our recipe for our rocket fuel. So there you have it. All our ingredients are in our blender, and we just have to blend it. It's that easy. So after blending it, you can drink it, or you can also store it in a glass jar. Make sure it's the glass jar and not plastic, because it will burn the plastic. That's how strong this thing is. I'm making a mess in here. And of course, we should try it. You can consume it within 24 hours, ideally, but it can also stay up to 48 hours. The fresher it is, the better it will be. So, let's give it a try. Cheers! You can really taste the lemon and the strong flavors in there of ginger, of cayenne, and also garlic, the pungency of garlic, and onion as well. But it's not that bad. I've been drinking this for a while, many years. And whenever we're feeling sick, this is what we take and what I also give to our little one. And you can just store it in a jar, is what I've said. Put a cap on it, and you're done. So this is how simple it is to make your own rocket fuel right at the comfort of your home. Choose life, Choose health and choose well. For after all is said and done, it's all about a matter of choice. See you next time!